My name is Luca Pretolesi. I'm a mixing, mastering engineer and producer based in Las Vegas. Our company is called Studio DMI. Doesn't mean studio as a recording studio. This means the study of digital music innovation. And we are deeply involved in electronic music, from the educational side to helps other producers to make music better, again, including additional production work, mixing and mastering. Building a studio here in Vegas is always very challenging. It's a city that is fantastic, but it doesn't have the best reputation for power, for the quality. So building this machine for us was very important to use the best possible gas, if it makes sense. Having gear for $100,000 and have not the best power, it was making me nervous. So we tried to start to build the studio literally from ground up and making sure there's no second guessing on the quality of the power, especially when we use like 5, 10 or more piece of hardware and we don't know if we're bringing some noise and where we're bringing this noise, if the power is causing issues. So for this reason, Torus was a kind of like a natural answer to have something very solid that we can trust every day.